Hey, what's up guys? So just wanted to show you what this espresso machine looks like right outside the box. This is the box. Here we go with the machine right here. The tray's right there. And right here you have the accessories. Okay, here we go. I'm going to talk more about it, but just wanted to give it a quick look. The little water tank in the back. So yeah, let's talk. So I poured a bit more than I should have, but just want to show you what we have here.
The speed off the box wasn't very good. It absorbed all the energy, I'm afraid.
That's a fine grind. Sorry.
Nicely
too early in the morning here. Yeah, so this is what it will look like. It's my first pour out of this machine, and it's not too bad. What's up guys? I wanted to talk to you about this machine that I've ordered. I've been using it for about 2 to 3 years now. I wanted to kind of, I guess, give a little bit sense as to why people should purchase this espresso machine. I will be linking a video of this guy who was the guru behind this for me to discover this perfect machine when I was dying to get a good espresso at home and not go broke. So I will link that video. I will link the machine, espresso machine, and also some personal coffee that I like. I'll link them along with other few items. But I just want to mention that if this machine is my third machine that I ordered, after doing a lot of research on different type of machine and things like that, for me to get something under $100, which I saw for 88 tips, little hint, if you see the price for 80 to 90 bucks for this machine, just wait around, and you'll be able to get, I think Amazon will offer here and there some deals, and then you can get for $69.99. So I think you should totally take advantage of that. Just spend a little bit of time. Anyway, and then quickly wanted to mention, if you get this machine, if you know the right way to grind it, which I use MrCoffee. This one's been sticking around for about 2 to 3 years for me and didn't go bad. MrCoffee brand as well, I'll link that. And grind it fine and tamp it nice, and you'll get a good pour out of it. You just gotta try it a few times. This is, like I said, this is my third machine. The first one didn't go bad. I cleaned as much as I can after every use, but even then I wanted to get rid of it after a year because it's cheap enough. It's just not, there's no reason for me to dig deep inside and whatever. Second one did go bad, and it started making this weird growling noise, and then a little smoke came out of it. But it lasted about a year and 3-4 months, and which is perfect for me. So I went ahead and ordered another one. I didn't look twice. I looked around for a few different things, but that would be it. At the end of the day, they still wanted for me, so I went ahead and ordered it. I am so far very happy with it. It's working really well. I do have a couple of things to say. One, when you use this machine, the frothing wand will come with a little plastic rubber thingy. Just cut it off, get rid of it. You don't want any mold to grow in there. Just use the steel as it is. You may have to order a frothing pitcher, and also after every use, rinse out the system. Like get some water out. It's kind of common sense, but even more important, after every use, give it about a minute, switch it off, and pull the plug out. Don't trust this machine plugged in and stuff like that. It will extend the life, for this machine. So I will go ahead and link a few items on the bottom. I hope this is helpful to you people, and if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe. Like. It will be very helpful to me. Buy me a coffee. I love coffee. And I will be doing other videos and hopefully be as helpful as I can be. You know, that's why I'm here, helpful thingy. So hopefully see you next time. Bye bye. Yeah, so before you brew any espresso, just like the instruction manual, I would suggest just turning this on, this knob, and it's a button really, and then just press this button right here and turn the knob down to let it run about for like 30 seconds. And it's nice to see that. And the same should be done for the steam as well. Alright, okay, so here's a look at things when I took them apart. The tray is there, it's brand new. The machine, I gotta run back to my baby as soon as possible. So, you can see this, it's good. It's pretty shiny. There's a water tank. This comes off, and the accessories, as I've talked about it before. But do be careful. This, you can easily miss this. It's on the bottom of the packaging, so look for this when you order, because you can easily miss this. All right. Okay.